So if I get my hands on some new perfumes, it is not possible for me to not review it for you guys, especially when we are so much into summers already. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. And today's video is going to be a perfume review of a new brand of perfume. Now this perfume, I have not purchased it myself. It is not a PR present. It is actually a present from my friend who was traveling in Maharashtra, Pune, Bombay. So she got me these perfumes. Knowing what a perfume lover I am, she got me these two perfumes from a brand called Sugachi. Sugachi, that's how it is pronounced, I hope. And the reason that I'm bringing this perfume to you guys is because it is a made in India perfume, and I'm always very proud when Indians manufacture perfumes because we are capable of everything. So yes, without any further ado, let's just quickly get started in the video. I just wanted to talk about it because so many of you actually asked me to make affordable perfumes review, and before I begin with the video, I'll just quickly tell you that the MRP of this particular perfume is $12.99, but these are also available on Amazon. One thing that I always keep in mind is the availability of the products, and it is available on Amazon for around, I think, 499 rupees. These are unisex perfumes. So if you're a boy watching this, or of course my lovely ladies, if you guys love unisex perfumes, this video is probably for you because this perfume is really affordable and long lasting. I am such a spoiler alert, really. By the way, I have a lot of perfume videos. You can definitely click at the I button probably at the end of this video, and you can go ahead and watch my perfume collection, my perfume reviews. I have tons and loads of perfume videos because I love perfumes and I love to study about perfumes, and I'm very passionate about perfumes. So if you are just the way I am, probably you would love to click here, or in the description box below I'll leave a link. You can definitely go ahead and watch the two perfumes, the two variants that I have. One is called a Sugachi Unisex Fragrance Eau de Parfum in the variant Acqui, and the second one is Sugachi Unisex Fragrance Eau de Parfum Vivo in the variant Vivo, and both of these are 50 ml bottles. The first thing is that both of these are eau de parfum, so obviously you're going to expect a long lasting result. So the first perfume that I would be talking about is Sugachi's Acqui. Now it is a very classic scent because I've already smelled it. It comes in a cardboard packaging like this. The packaging is quite safe and secure, and this is what the bottle of it looks like. Nothing really fancy, but a classic simple bottle, easy to travel with. You can put this bottle even in your gym bag, in your travel bag, in your handbag, wherever, because it's a very classy bottle. A simple bottle, nothing fancy, but the fragrance of it is kind of classy. It's really nice actually. I really don't need to sniff it from this close. As soon as I open the cap of it, I can literally smell it from far. So the first thing about this perfume is its uniqueness, and that it actually leaves a trail behind, which is amazing. Now this one, oh god. Now this one, this is magical, guys. This is so citrusy at first, musky as well, woody. This smells so good. It is so fresh, it is so citrusy, it is so much summer. And honestly, whenever I've used this perfume, it just leaves a beautiful trail behind. You don't have to really bring your, wherever you've sprayed it, you don't really have to take it close to your nose and smell it, because you literally smell it everywhere. It's amazing. The fragrance is amazing and very long lasting as well, and especially outdoors, especially in the hot summer, I think this is a really good perfume. It smells really nice and refreshing. It has just woken me up. It's like 3 o'clock in the morning and I feel so good already. Now talking about the notes of this one, because I always mention the notes and I would also write it over here for your convenience, so I'll just quickly talk about it. Because this eau de parfum, this has to be stronger. It is quite strong in the beginning and it just kind of develops very beautifully on you. This is what I'm talking about myself now. Because I have forgotten to give the disclaimer, let me just quickly tell you that perfumes are very personal. What it develops on my skin might not develop on yours, because it just differs with the temperature, with the chemistry of the body. And as I always say, I think even emotions have a role to play in how the fragrance would actually develop on you. That's what I feel personally. I don't think it's written anywhere in the books. So let me just quickly talk about the notes of this one. So this one actually opens up with orange, watermelon and lemon, and you can actually get the hint of the citrusiness. As I told you, it smells quite citrusy with the first spray, and It's so refreshing. That is the top note, and it very beautifully and mildly blends and transitions into the middle note, which is of patchouli and grapefruit, and this is definitely citrusy and fruity. And the base note of this one is red berry, lemon bark, and agar or ajar wood. I don't know what's that. Some of the ingredients are also international and imported, so I think it wouldn't be wrong to call this one a perfume, which is an Indian made French perfume, probably. Yes, this smells really nice, and all that you need is just 2 spritz of this one, and that's it. You are good to go for the entire day, honestly, because this is eau de parfum and it lasts supremely long on your clothes and a little less longer on your body, but enough to last you for, I think, the entire day, probably. Yes. And because this also combats the body odor, you do not really need a deodorant. So this one actually works as a perfume, as a deodorant, and as well as a body mist, because you can literally spray it on your body. It is quite skin friendly because this is also FDA approved. So that is one good thing about this one, and I really like and appreciate the Sugati perfume for that. I really like it. Also guys, it is water soluble, so if you're taking a shower or anything, this is going to wash off, which is a good thing because this is not going to leave any residue on the skin. Of course, as I told you guys, it suppresses body odor. It's pretty hot in Delhi, as you might not be able to tell, but it's pretty hot in Delhi and I'm literally sweating, and this has actually lasted 24 hours on my body, and on the clothes I think more than 24 hours, because the clothes smell really nice. Trust me, I think for 2 days. This one is an amazing perfume. Why? Because most of the times I'm very fed up if the perfumes don't really last that long. That means I have to keep on spraying them. This one would actually last you the entire day in 4 to 6 sprays. You just spray it in the morning, and this one just lingers on, holds on to yourself for the entire day, which is something I really like. So this one, for the price point, is such a cost effective and such a nice perfume because it literally lasts a really long time, smells amazing, and is safe on the skin. I really like this one, so I would highly recommend you guys this. This is the Acqui one. Talking about the next one, and of course I'm a little biased towards this one because I like the fragrance a little bit more. Trust me guys, for the first time I've tried unisex perfumes, and I was kind of a little hesitant trying unisex perfumes, but this has totally changed my mind. So the packaging looks exactly like the previous bottle. It's a very nice frosted glass bottle, which is very simple. It has every detail at the back of it, including the manufacturing date and all of that, which is really good. This one is also a unisex perfume, but this one, it's so amazing. It smells so fresh, so clean. It is unisex, but it is not like bang on masculine or bang on feminine. It is so good. I cannot tell you, it is kind of a very divine, magical fragrance. The first spritz smells of tobacco. Yes, that's what I feel. So let me just quickly tell you about the notes of this perfume, and then I'm going to tell you how it actually develops and evolves on my skin, okay? So the top note of this particular perfume is bergamot and Indian spices. Transitions and blends very beautifully into the middle notes, which are like mint, patchouli, and black pepper. I really like patchouli. Patchouli is a very high-end ingredient, guys, and let me quickly tell you that very high-end perfumes actually use patchouli as one of their notes in the fragrances. So this one, I think for the price point, because this is available at a discounted rate, so I'm talking with that reference, but the MRP of this product is $12.99. So I think the ingredients that are used are very top notch. So that was the middle note of this one. The base note is actually the last note that stays on your skin or on your clothes for the longest time, and those are burnt tobacco and vetiver. I don't know how vetiver smells, but I told you there's tobacco in it, and trust me, I didn't read the notes of it until now. So it has tobacco in it, and it is not those kind of chakkar wala tobacco, because uski smell se mujhe chakkar aata hai, but this one is very nice. I think that is something that gives a little bit of masculinity with really beautiful hints of femininity into this one. It is really an amazing perfume. This definitely is my favorite one. However, it is very difficult for me to decide between Acqui and Vivo, but if I would, probably I'll pick up Vivo more over Acqui, but both of these are summer fragrances and both of these are amazing. I really like these fragrances, and I would highly recommend you guys, if you like unisex perfumes and both men and and women can use it, which is an amazing thing. So if you buy one bottle, probably you and your guy can use it. So that's also money saving there, I feel like. So I love both of these perfumes and I would highly recommend you guys go ahead and try these out, guys. I would leave link of it in the description box below, and do let me know if you've tried it, if you've come across this particular perfume. They have a lot of other variants as well, but I could just get my hands on these two because I was gifted these two, but I would definitely buy the other variants. But do let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions or anything that you want to ask. Leave that in the comment section as well. I would definitely get back to you. And yes, if you like this video, if you like the content that I create, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Just hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button as well, because that's going to give you the notification about my future videos. And if you have liked this video, guys, do not forget to hit that like button. I would really appreciate it. That means a lot to me and it keeps me going. And yes, as I mentioned, just comment everything in the comment section below. Anything that you want to know, anything that you want to say, anything that you want to share with me. So thank you so much for watching this video. Do try these perfumes, it's amazing. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Thank you for your time and patience, and I'll see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take care of yourself, keep happy, keep healthy, keep smiling, keep smelling good, and I love you so much. Bye, guys. Mwah. It's really beautiful.